Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add non-Steam games to Steam. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to right click on the game icon that you want to add and select open file location, and now copy this file path and then just to close stuff here and open up Steam and go to library and select the add a game option and select the add a non-Steam game and select the browse option, and you just need to paste the path we copied and press enter. And you can able to see game icon. Just select the game icon and select the open option. Now you just need to select the add selected programs, and now the game has been added. As you can see, to add a background you just need to right click on here and select the set custom background, and you can select whatever image you want, select it and select open option. And as you can see, the background has been changed. And now you can able to change the logo as well. To do this, right click on the background and select set custom logo option, and you can change this logo guys. And whenever you want to play, come and select this game and select play option, and the game should launch. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.